I'm here in one of the anchor townhomes here in Moodyville, North Vancouver. This is Founders Block North. What's great here is you're at 533 East 3rd Street, but you're on the quiet side of the complex for the unit number 7 that we have. I'm Elliot Chun at the Partners. Let me show you around.
Take me home, don't let go. There ain't no.
Check out this $1 million view. It's 180 degrees all the way from Stanley Park, sweeping right across into Burnaby.
I'm holding on to you. There ain't no.
Stepping down from your 3 bedrooms up, you've got this gorgeous Scandinavian West Coast contemporary style throughout the home. Great open concept kitchen, living, and dining.